guys, it's me again, Richard. For today's vlog, I'll be showing you the job of an ETO on board, the responsibilities that we are having, and the equipments and machineries that we are assigned of. So come with me until to the end of this video to have an idea of what we are on board.
I am working in a shipping industry and being deployed in a tanker vessels. My current vessel is a liquefied petroleum gas carrier, an LPG tanker, a cargo of butane and propane. Yes, you heard it right. We are carrying a flammable and highly explosive cargo. That's why we always consider a high level of safety precautions. This is a low temperature cargo which ranges from -6 to -42 degrees Celsius. We have a gas engineer on board who maintain and facilitate this cargo. We load and discharge this from one place to another, from one country and to the other. We assure that this cargo will be delivered from the specified time without cause of delays. That's why everyone on board has its own responsibilities to ensure the safety of the ship, from captain to deck officers, from chief engineer to assistant engineers, to petty officers, and to the ratings. To ensure that the ship on its proper functionality, especially for the machineries, which is a very vital for ship operations. That's why a competitive engineers which has an adequate knowledge is needed on board, from marine engineers unto the electrical engineers that also considered ship's electricians, which has a rule of maintaining the proper operation of every inside facilities. From navigational equipments, cargo handling system, which is more on control and instrumentation engineering to monitor the level, temperature, flow, and the pressure of the cargo, and down to the engine room in which plenty of electrical machineries is running. As an ETO, we need to know from basic to high level of electrical understanding. Because for a cargo and tanker vessels, we are only one on board responsible for the electrical field. We are also on call duty 24/7, even if we are at verge or in a deep sleep at dawn. If there's something wrong which is related to electrical, we are obliged to wake up, to report, and to give solution for the troubles. Sometimes leads a good night into our hated sleepless nights. We are also responsible for the proper operations of provision and air conditioning system, such as accommodation air condition, engine control room air condition, the air condition in engine workshop, air condition in galley, the diesel chiller, and the one of the most important, the provision plant, that we need to maintain the desired temperature for our stored foods on board. It is a daily routine of an ETO to check and to test the ship's 440 and 220 volts earth fault monitors to determine if there is any line fault to the entire ship with respect to ground. We need also to record the daily logs for the ICCP or Empress Current Cathodic Protection, that prevents the corrosion of the ship's hull. The MGPS, or the Marine Growth Protection, which prevent marine growths and corrosion inside the sea chest. Shaft earthing device, which prevent electrical potential that cause current sparking from main engine bearings, causing to be damaged. And the daily monitoring of all electrical motors that is running, and the megar testing which is needed quarterly. And all this record will be submitted to the office for their guidelines. The ship's generators that considered the heart of the ship is included to our top electrical responsibilities, for this supplies and powered the entire vessel to make it alive. And the boiler system that play a big role for the proper heating temperatures of fuel oils, lubrication oils, and to the other consumers, and to be fed to generators and the main engine. Checking and maintaining all ships' batteries is also a big part in our job. Batteries such as for radio, GMDSS, for main ship's UPS, emergency generator, lifeboat and rescue boat, for the EMS or the alarm monitoring system for backup, and including the PLC batteries which is being used for the automations of some machineries. We need also to check every day all electrical lights to maintain the proper illumination of the ship, including all navigational lights. As we are in LPG tanker, we are also responsible for ship's fire alarm system, which detect any fire occurrence at any point of the ship. And the gas detection system, which determine any leaks of cargo. We need also to follow the computer AMOS EMS to check if there is a scheduled planned electrical maintenance to be complied on a specified day. And the weekly testing routine of emergency generator, the rescue boat, and the lifeboat. In addition, an ETO should also have an idea how to repair of such electrical appliances like refrigerator, washing machines, dryers, coffee makers, microwave ovens, rice cookers, electric heaters, vacuum cleaners, computers, printers, and many others. Those were only some of our major job on board. As an ETO, we are facing a lot of responsibilities, for we are in charge in all electrical, electronics, pneumatic system, the hydraulic system, and the automation of the ship. In my next vlog, I will discuss the different machineries in engine room that an aspiring for our job needs to be familiar for faster response for the kinds of electrical troubles on board.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to notify you for my upcoming videos. See you in my next vlog. Thank you.